I'm recording already, right? Okay, yes. All right, so here we have a little boy, okay, and this boy is playing a skateboard. Now, here you can see three of these boys, right? They are all the same person, but this is his location at different times. So you can see here t equals to 0 second, 2 seconds, and 5 seconds. So let's say at the start, I take a picture, the boy is here. After 2 seconds, I take a photo, the boy is here. After 5 seconds, I take a photo, the boy is here. Okay? So this is the location of the boy at different times lah, basically. Okay? Now, calculate, based on diagram 2.7, calculate the boy's acceleration from A to B. Okay, how to calculate the boy's acceleration from A to B? Now, you want to calculate acceleration, right? You're going to need a formula to calculate. If I open the formula sheet, by the way, this is the formula sheet that you will get if you use the government's paper, right? If let's say your school uses the government's test paper, you will get something that looks like this. Now, if you during SPM, you also get something that looks like this. But if your school creates their own papers, then I cannot guarantee you lah, huh? Okay, cannot guarantee. Now, let's look at this formula sheet here. Can you tell me, is there a formula for acceleration or not? Do you see a formula for acceleration or not? Gonna acceleration. Yes, no? No, right? There's no formula for acceleration, right? No A equals to something, right? So the way you need to do from the acceleration, right, is you get it from this equation, this first Suvat equation, right? You're going to move these things around until you get A is equals to something, okay? So let's say I move the U over to the other side to become minus V minus U equals to AT. Then I move the t to the other side to become divide. So v minus u divided by t equals to a. Okay, any questions on this? Yeah, so this is how I get my formula for acceleration. I'm going to write it down. A equals to v minus u divided by t. So v is final velocity, u is initial velocity. From A to B, the final is 2, the initial is 0. Divided by the time. Time from 0 to 2 is 2 seconds. So A is 1 meter per second squared. All right, the units for acceleration, meters per second squared. Okay, next one. Calculate the boy's acceleration from B to C. So same thing. A equals to V minus U over T. Final velocity is 3.5 minus initial velocity is 2 divided by, now the time, don't go and write 5. The time is a time taken from B to C. You don't go and write 5. It's supposed to be from 2 to 5 is 3 seconds. Okay? So you put 3 seconds. All right? 3. So this is 1.5 divided by 3, which is 0.5 lah. Okay? 0.5. Cannot. First, let me stand up first. My stomach too big already. Okay, next question. Calculate the displacement of the boy from B to C. Displacement means I want to find S. Okay, if you look at the formula sheet, got formula to find S, right? Got one here, got one here. And both of these are what? Both of these are Suvat equations, okay? So it's very obvious that they want you to do a Suvat formula. So you do SUVAT, okay, right? And then you want to find displacement. You are trying to find S, so you put a question mark here. The initial and the final from B to C, just now we already did already. Initial is 2, final is 3.5. Now, The acceleration you got or not? Acceleration you got 0.5 ma, you calculated. And then the t, the time from B to C is 3 seconds. Okay. Now, you literally have all the information already. Okay, you have all the information already. But I wouldn't suggest you use the A. Why? Because this A is something that you have calculated. And during your exam, you cannot know for sure whether you are correct or not. Right? So you might have calculated this wrongly. You won't know. So I won't suggest you to use your number unless you absolutely have to. Unless you really got no other choice already, you must use this number. But now I can actually just use U, V, and T, which are all the numbers they gave me already, and then find S. Okay, understand? So I don't use the A. Okay, so we choose the formula with S, U, V, and T, which is a formula with S, U, V, and T. S, U, V, T. No A. This one, right? This one, so I'm just going to copy the formula down. S equals to U plus V divided by 2 times T, 2 plus 3.5 divided by 2. Okay, come, give me your answer, so that I can compare them with each other. Otherwise, we don't know whether it's correct or not. Okay, anyone else got 8.25? Is that the correct answer or not? Okay, yes, 8.25, all right? All right. The units is meter because displacement means how far. Okay, displacement means the distance that you travel. Okay, next one. Diagram 11.3 shows a girl wearing a helmet and safety pads while playing on a skateboard. Explain why the girl needs to wear the helmet and the safety pad. Okay, so this is an explanation question. I would say about 3 to 4 marks this question. Okay? Now, how do you explain why the girl need to wear the helmet and safety pad? You don't tell me, oh, so that the girl won't get hurt, lor. Cannot. Not good enough. Okay? How would you explain how does the helmet and the safety pad like why does it help? So she don't die. Again, you can say so she don't die, but how? How to prevent her from dying? That's the point. How to prevent? Okay. Someone mentioned increase the impact time. Okay, what else? What else can we mention? Besides increase the impact time? Besides that? Increase impact time, so what? So what if we increase the impact time? Okay, very good. Reduce the impulsive force. Okay, so you got to explain to them why does the helmet or the safety pad increase the impact time and then reduce the impulsive force? So why? So you say because inside the helmet and inside the safety pad, we have what? Inside the helmet or inside the safety pad, we have what? What kind of like thing causes it to increase the impact time and reduce impulsive force? Very good. Padding or soft padding. Exactly. You see, why cannot get A like that? Why cannot get A? Yeah, you all know what? You all know exactly what you need to write. So you say the helmet. Wait. The helmet and safety pad has soft padding. Okay, this will increase the impact time. Okay, this will increase the impact time when the girl falls. Okay, and then this results, or you can just continue to say this will decrease the impulsive force. Okay, this will decrease the impulsive force. Therefore, the girl does not get injured easily. Okay, now, is it something that you think you can write it out? Yeah? All I just need from you is these keywords only. The keywords that you all give me. Increase impact time, reduce impulsive force, got padding, okay? Then you can try to form every sentence. You just write down, oh, okay, how do I say the padding? How do I say the impact time? How do I say the impulsive force? Then you're done already. Easy, right? Yeah? Yeah. It does give marks also. Yeah, because they say explain why she need to wear ma. If she say explain why the girl does not get injured easily, then of course this one got no marks. Because we already know she does not get injured easily. But now they just say why you need to wear. So in the end is does not get injured easily. Then you explain why. Because less impulsive force. Then you explain why. Because longer impact time. Then you explain why. Because helmet and safety pack got soft padding. Okay? That's how you get the marks lah. Okay, sure. All right, so I'm gonna go on to the next question. Okay. Now, here we have a sprinter. A sprinter is someone that can run very fast, but only for a very short distance only lah. Okay? It's not like a marathon runner. Marathon, he can run for a long time. This sprinter can only run for a short time only, but he can very quick burst. He can release a lot of energy in that short time. Okay. The man should wear proper attire. Attire meaning the clothes lah, okay? And shoes, and use any additional equipment to make him run faster, okay? And achieve maximum acceleration. So can you tell me what kind of attire should the man be wearing? I'm sure you all know this. I'm sure you all know what to answer. What kind of attire should the man be wearing? Pants only. Why leh? Why pants only leh? Why not just don't wear anything? Why not just don't wear anything? Because the penis will shake here, shake there, is it? Yeah, then you cannot run properly. Yeah, his penis will like like that. No. Tightly fitted clothing. Okay, that's one. That's one. Tightly fitted clothing. Okay. And then what else? Anything else? Not like sports attire. Okay, what is good about sports attire lah? You can say like that. I want a characteristic of the attire, not like the type of attire. I want the characteristics. So like tight attire is one. Okay, besides thin leh, thin like because thin maybe okay, it's good for you because you don't get hot. But I want something that can help you run faster, maximum acceleration. Besides thin, besides tight. What else? Light ma, correct not? Light. lightweight clothes. Yeah, that's another one that you can say lah. Okay, so you can say tight-fitting attire. Okay, or you could also say light attire. Now, benefit of tight-fitting attire, so you look sexier, you gain more confidence, you run faster. Right now, yeah, the sexier you are, the faster you can run. Now is to reduce air resistance. Okay, you don't want when you run now, then the air be like pulling your shirt like that. Okay, then you become very slow. All right. Now, light attire, don't say can run faster. Okay, don't say greater velocity, don't say greater speed. Light doesn't mean you can go faster. Light means you can accelerate faster. Okay, you can reach the speed faster, but doesn't mean you can always go very, very fast one. Okay, heavy things also can go very, very fast, but they take a very long time. Okay, so don't say greater speed or greater velocity. You can only say greater acceleration. Okay, greater acceleration. Okay, now tell me what kind of shoes should he be wearing? What kind of shoes can help him run faster or accelerate more? Okay, can. What else? What else? Okay, very good. Very good. Everyone thinking of spikes, right? Yes, you must have spiked shoes. Okay, besides that, yeah, you can also say lightweight, no problem, no problem. So, spiked shoes, either you write spiked shoes or you write shoes with spikes, also can. Okay, spiked shoes or shoes with spikes. Okay, the reason is so that you can have better grip. Okay, the spikes, they can go into the ground and then give you a better grip. Now, if you want to write light shoes, also can. Again, same thing is greater acceleration. Okay, greater acceleration. Okay, next one. Now, this one, I'm not sure whether you all know or not. So I'm just going to tell you all. Okay? Carbon-plated shoes. Why you want carbon-plated shoes? Carbon not always good or not. Carbon, not everything. Greater energy return. Why you need? I don't need energy return. I want to just like have the maximum burst so I can just run the fastest only. No need energy return, no need anything like that one. I just want the maximum burst so that I can go the fastest in this 100 meters. Yeah. Okay, so this one is basically the best you can get really lah. Okay. All right. Now, additional equipment, I don't know whether you all know this or not, but if you ever see like people running, okay, they always have this thing at the back one. 100 plus. 100 plus is additional equipment. Wow, very good. Milo also can. You can say Milo also. Milo is what is the slogan for Milo? Something about champion, right? Something like unleash a champion or something. Milo and 100 plus. Okay, so you see people when they run, right? They have this starting block at the back. I don't know whether you noticed this before lah. Okay, next time when you watch Olympic, you pay attention. Actually, I also don't know Olympic or not. Okay, so why do they have this thing behind, right? Is so that whenever you run, the first push of your leg, when you first push your leg, right? For us normal people, if you just put your leg on the ground, when I push, where do I go? I go up. Correct or not? Then you're wasting your energy already. Why you want to waste your energy to go up? You want to use your energy to go forward. So if I can put my legs like this, like vertically, like in the picture, then when I push my leg, right, I will be pushing myself in front instead of pushing myself up. So that's what the starting blocks are for, okay? In order to help me give more boost, okay? Give more boost at the start. So you can say use starting blocks. Okay, use starting blocks. Now, the reason you can say produce greater forward thrust. You all know what's forward thrust or not? Thrust is any force that push you forward. Yeah, anything that push you forward is called thrust. It's a force. Yeah, it's a forward force. Produce greater forward thrust during the start. Okay, produce greater forward thrust during the start. Okay. Next, if the man reached the finishing line in 10.2 seconds, calculate the acceleration of the man. So, of course, if you want the acceleration, you can also use A equals to V minus U over T. But then you have to check lah. Do you have your U and V or not? You got the initial speed, which is 0. At the start, you are surely 0, 1. Okay? So your U is 0. But you don't have your V, you know. They never give you the final speed. So you cannot be using this already because they never give you the V. So you have to find another way. You have to use another Suvat equation. So I'm trying to find acceleration. The distance that I'm running, the distance that I'm running is 100 meters. Okay, 100-meter run. T time 10.2 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to give you the formula S equals to UT plus half AT squared. Substitute everything inside and give me an acceleration. Give me an acceleration. Have you ever drank this sparkling Red Bull? Have you ever drank sparkling Red Bull? It's like if you go to Sunway Pyramid and you spend more than 50 ringgit, they give you 6 cans of this for free. Yesterday I went and redeemed. Yeah, you just have to spend more than 50 ringgit a day, which, to be honest, everything also more than 50 ringgit a day now. Hey, Pastor, can you get an acceleration or not? Okay, I have one answer, 1.92. Anyone else? I have a 1.92 here. Okay, I have another 1.92, so that confirm the answer. 1.92 meters per second squared acceleration. Oh, it's 1.92233. Okay, then 1.9. Let me write one more lah. 1.922 lah. Okay, 1.922 meter per second square.